In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your images in Adobe Photoshop using the best settings for high resolution. Whether you're working on a personal project or preparing an image for professional printing, achieving the highest resolution possible is key to preserving the quality of your work. Let's break down the steps to ensure your images are saved at their finest. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you haven't already, make sure you're using the latest version as Adobe often updates its software with new features and improvements. Once you're in the program, you'll need to create a new canvas for your project. Head over to the File menu and select New. This will open a dialog box where you can specify your canvas settings. To ensure high resolution, set the DPI, or dots per inch, to 300. This setting is generally considered the standard for high-quality print images because it ensures sufficient detail and clarity. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to add your image. You can do this by going to File and selecting Open to import the image you want to work with. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the image file directly onto the canvas. Once your image appears on the canvas, you might want to adjust its placement or size. Make sure any resizing maintains the image's aspect ratio to avoid distortion. If your image is larger than your canvas, you can use the transform tools to fit it perfectly within the space. Take a moment to make any final edits or adjustments you might need, whether that's tweaking the colors, adding text, or applying filters. With your image looking exactly how you want it, it's time to save it. You'll need to decide whether you want to save it as a JPEG or PNG, as both formats are excellent for different purposes. JPEGs are great for photographs and can be compressed without much loss in quality, making them ideal for web use and digital sharing. PNGs, on the other hand, are perfect for images needing transparent backgrounds and offer better quality for graphics. To save, go up to the File menu once more, select Save As, and choose your desired format from the options. A dialog box will prompt you for further settings, particularly for JPEGs. Adjust the compression level higher for better quality if file size isn't an issue. Once you're satisfied with the settings, hit Save. And there you have it. By following these steps and using Adobe Photoshop's robust settings, you'll be able to save your images in high resolution, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're printing your work or sharing it digitally, knowing how to save it properly makes all the difference. Thanks for watching and happy editing.